everybody, and welcome to the Bodum family. Today we're doing a video about Poppets, the new trending toy on like the internet and social media.
I don't need to
and
cut
today
it.
we have new ones, the controller Poppets. We have three. There's mine, Nathan's, and Mimi's, which is pink.
Yeah.
Then we also have Among Us Poppets, which are really fun.
Cool.
We also have a square Poppet.
Bye.
And we have miniature Poppets.
Yeah, I guess.
2. We also have different fidgets like this. And his Mito that he broke, yeah.
What is supposed to be for that toy though?
Well, it's for like,
Satisfying.
it's very satisfying and like can relieve, I guess,
Make noises.
boredom.
What can you say about your puppets? So what did you do?
Well, you
Play with it.
you play with it.
You can make
pop
ice
it.
cream out of it because if you did water, and put it in
Water?
the freezer.
Yeah.
You make-
What are you saying? What do you mean? Okay, so me and Nathan are gonna have a competition to see who can
Can you
pop.
show first how it works though?
Yeah. So you see.
So they said that that's for stress relieving though. Stress, like you just pop.
Yeah, I'm boredom.
Yeah, boredom. Like.
too.
Okay.
So these little bubbles, it's very satisfying when you like
Like this.
push down on them and just make some noises. Then you flip it around and do it again. It's really satisfying. So me and Nathan are gonna have a race to see who can pop it, and also Mimi, right?
Yeah.
Mimi, I guess Mimi's in the middle.
Stop putting your booty on me.
2,
Okay, 3, 2,
2,
1,
go.
go. Done.
What?
Oh.
Now we need to make sure that everything is up first before you guys do it. Okay.
I already did it all.
Okay, do it again then we're gonna see.
But
Let me see if it's all already popped.
hey everyone, he cheated. How?
How?
Yeah, he did. You cheated. Cheater.
Okay, so this is mine's.
How she cheated? How?
Exactly.
Most likely, he just like popped a few, turned it around, popped those, and then just had it like blank and stuff.
No, I did not.
Did you pop?
I did this. I did this.
Oh, so he used all his fingers.
Okay.
Not just one by one, so it's everything.
So let's count how fast I can do it, and then we'll see. And then we'll do Mimi, and then Nathan. Then we'll see.
No,
who
I'm
can
supposed to be in
actually do it right. Okay.
I want to do that.
I'm gonna go last. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, Mimi.
No, him.
Him. Okay, Nathan.
1,
3, 4. It's the same thing. Okay, Mimi.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Well, the thing is, Nathan is very more experienced in this kind of stuff. He has, this are all of his actually, and he has all these different fidgets. He plays with every day, and that's hers.
Yes. Remember we trade? Yeah.
And there's this really fancy, I guess,
I trade you for that
trading
red
system
Remember I gave
where, like, say I want to trade this for like, I don't know, like this or like this.
Okay,
I'm
trading
And you want to accept or not. So,
I'm trading these ultra rare.
yeah,
Flashy
Poppets.
I'm good.
Everyone for watching our video, and this is the Bodum family, and please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notifications and the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Bye.